I want to show y'all how to use independent track length. Yes, MPC does have independent track length. I'm just going to start with an example. I got this hi-hat, right? And I'm just going to go here to where it says length. I'm going to put this on 1 beat. All right. Now, all I did was hit the pad 1 time. But look, we have a steady rhythm going on, right? Now, I'm going to go to the next track. I'm going to turn this length to 2 beats. I'm going to put that into chord. Look, just touch the pad 1 time. Now, so what I'm going to do now, put the kick in, and I'm just going to leave the kick just how it is. I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to leave it to the full 4 bars. It's something about just recording this way, it actually gives the track a nice little weird little feel. I don't know, man. It might be just me. Go to thecyclekit.com, support your boy. I got kits of all prices. I appreciate the support. It helps me be able to make more kits and more content for you guys. I love and respect y'all sincerely. Thank you. Take care.